we realized that what we wanted to do was to create a winery in British Columbia, really the family scale of a small group of people, taking the process right from the vineyard to the bottle is what we admired the most. And having been exposed as well to organic agriculture, organic farming in France, we knew that we could do that here as well.
I was born and raised in Bordeaux, France. Sixth generation winemaker after my dad, in a family who were wine merchants, and in a place called Château-les-Carmes-Aubryon in the heart of Bordeaux. Then in 2004 I made wine in Spain, and the following year in March I wanted to go in the South Hemisphere to make 2 vintages in 1 year in 2005 before I was going to work with my dad. And I was in a tank and suddenly I heard someone talking French, a very nice voice. And that was Dylan, my husband. I come from France, he comes from Canada. We met in New Zealand and we gained experience in France, but we choose to build a winery in Canada. Then it's kind of a fun fact.
It's hands-on. We have a small team in the vineyard that includes the 2 of us. We can look after our vines using natural methods and really concentrating on what's happening in the vineyard. We can bring the best fruit possible right into the winery, and when the fruit is perfect, there's very little we have to do as winemakers.
It's a little bit like a chef, you know, where you are trained is how you make your cuisine. And I think because we're both trained in France, we definitely make our wine the French way, I would say. We apply recipe with grapes that are grown in the Okanagan Valley.
20 years of working in the wine industry and making wine, and 5 years here in our own vineyard and winery. I feel like part of our privilege is the fact that we can be spending our time farming and spending the time sharing what we make with others. Those are the highlights for us, is really the farming and the people we meet through wine.